Hey there, and welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Casey, and this is Lauren, and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. Today we're making something sweet and smoky for your holiday meal.
That's right, Casey. Today we are making Chipotle smashed sweet potatoes, which I know sounds a little weird because we're talking holidays.
Yeah.
But we wanted to give you guys an idea for something beyond just the super sweet potato recipes, like the casseroles, the candied sweet potatoes, things like that.
Right.
And give you kind of a different flavor profile because there's so many sweets
Yes.
this time of year that it might be nice to have something a little more on the smoky or spicy side.
Balance that out, and then you can have more desserts.
Yes, perfect. I'm on board.
Yes.
All right, so we also want to mention this recipe is super easy.
Oh my goodness, so easy.
It's something that you can make ahead of time.
Yes.
You could serve it either in a slow cooker or just heat it up when you're ready to serve. But we actually don't even need an oven for this recipe.
No, we don't even need a stove.
Nothing. We are using the microwave.
Yeah.
So that's what we've done so far. We have peeled and diced some sweet potatoes and put them in the microwave. For us, it took like a 15-ish minutes because these are pretty big chunks. But if you slice them up a little bit smaller, it's only going to take like 10 minutes.
Right, right. And the microwave is so easy, like we said. It's something that I always forget about. But you could steam them, you could boil them if you wanted to, but they get just as soft in the microwave, so.
They do. Whenever I make sweet potatoes at home, I'll always put them in the microwave and then roast them or completely microwave them.
Sure. And one less dish because we just microwave them in the dish that we're going to mash them in.
Yes.
So.
Perfect.
Win-win.
So we have our softened sweet potatoes from the microwave. The next ingredient we're going to add in is our butter. Slide out of here. Thank you. And then salt. So we're just going to mash these up.
And you were saying they're so easy. Obviously, this is great for a holiday meal, but we were talking about some of the other things that you could use these potatoes in. So you mentioned like a burrito bowl.
Yeah, I think that would be so good.
That would be so good. The smokiness.
Beans.
Yes. Adding it as like a hash or part of.
Yes, that would be really good too.
Lots of different.
So it's something that you can also make year-round, not just around the holidays, which is kind of nice because I feel like we make so many special things for the holidays, but then we forget about these recipes when it comes to year-round.
Yes, definitely. And since they are so easy, why not?
Exactly. All right, so I think we can add in the next ingredients if you want
to
use it.
Our next ingredient, which is what makes them the Chipotle sweet potatoes, is our Chipotle peppers. So these peppers are smoked peppers that come in adobo sauce. So they add some heat as well as some smokiness. So we've got 2 peppers from that can that we're going to add in. And then we've also taken some of the adobo sauce from the can that we're going to add separately as well.
It smells so good.
Oh my goodness, it really does. And so the peppers are what kind of adds the heat to it, and then the adobo sauce adds more of the smokiness. So
and you can totally smell that smokiness
yes,
too.
And that makes it really easy to kind of alter too. If you want more of the smokiness, add more of the sauce. If you want a little bit more heat, add more of the peppers.
Yes, you can customize it a little bit. This recipe is not overly spicy, I wouldn't say.
Right.
But it does have a little bit of more of that smoky flavor, I feel like, comes out in this.
Which goes so well, it balances really well with the sweet potatoes.
Yeah, so this looks pretty, they look pretty good, pretty mashed.
This is something that would be easy to make ahead of time as well, if you are making it for a holiday meal.
Right, it'll store well in the fridge.
Yeah, definitely.
Which is always nice because we have so many things we have to make.
Yes.
This type of year, try to get some out of the way.
Yes, something easy to make ahead and then heat up ahead of time.
I'm going to give this to you, and I'm just going to kind of stir it a little bit just to make sure we have all the...
It looks holiday to me as well because you've got the orange, but then the peppers add the red, which is kind of festive.
Yeah, fun, totally different. All right, should we give this a try?
Yeah, let's do it.
Serve you up some. And what are we garnishing with?
So we've got some parsley that we'll add on top just to add a little more color, a little bit of flavor, and the red and the green. There you go, holidays.
Yes,
perfect.
so festive. I love it.
There you go.
All right, I want to get some pepper in here.
Good call.
Some of the heat.
Yes.
It's like sweet, smoky, spicy. All together, those make a perfect combination.
Oh my goodness, I love this so much. Well, we hope you add these smoky sweet potatoes to your holiday lineup.
And for more holiday recipe ideas, visit fastfoods.com/seasons.